Welcome back, everybody. Today we are going to talk about some simple formulas. This will probably be one of the quicker videos. We're just going to go over max and min. They're typically not formulas that you use by themselves very often, but very commonly part of larger formulas and nested formulas. So we're just going to throw in some data here. Then 0, 1, 2. And so what max and min does is, quite simply, it evaluates what's the maximum number and what's the minimum number. So we can select text, or select our text here, or our data here, and it will give us the maximum number. If we change this to something else, it will once again just automatically evaluate and give us the maximum number that we have. Similarly with min, it's just the opposite. So it will give you the minimum number. Something to note is that it will evaluate blanks as nothing. So you can see we have a blank in this set of data, but it's just going to ignore that and give you the number outside of it. If you put in another number that's lower, it's going to automatically calculate what it is. So pretty simple formulas. It can be used in other formulas, like I said, and that's usually where it comes in to figure out the max or minimum in a set of data and then do something else with it. So hopefully that helps you guys, and you guys have a good one. Thanks.